bring you guys a video here. We're going to pick up a little something for a video we're gonna shoot. So we have to make it all the way to Bass Pros. That shit closes at 9 and then it's 7:53. And it's like a 30-minute drive, so fingers crossed, let's hope we make it. We have right to our location. We came to Bass Pros to pick up a little something for a video I'm producing. Let's hope they have it right now, because shit, I looked it up online and they said they had it. And the thing I'm gonna be buying is a Tannerite. It's probably upstairs though, but we don't want to walk. I'm gonna take the elevator up since it's a little view. There's the one we're looking for.
Which one?
I think it'll be this one. Yeah. Right there.
Walk on.
Just here looking at the ammo prices. Their ammo prices are a little bit more expensive than they are at Cabela's, I've noticed. So are the P-Mags. P-Mags here are like, how much were they? I think they were like 20 bucks here, and at Cabela's they're like 11 bucks. There's all the gun racks. It's a cool little store, just come walk around. Sights here they have. There's the nice little sights back down there, the EOTech. There's that sight marks I was talking about. Sight marks and the EOTech. Up to you guys, what you guys get. A little funny thing we saw here. Before he buys a hat, and after fixes a hair problem. So buy one of these Bass Pros hat. Not sponsored though. And the usual stop for us to get drinks here at the 7-Eleven. Probably find us here a lot. We come to get drinks all the time. Get off, bitch. This nigga farted, and that was over here spraying shit from the store. This who farted. This is. We're back home, and this is what I picked up. Some nice little Tannerite. We'll be making a video on this soon, so make sure you please remember to subscribe so you can stay ready for that. For this video soon to come. Thanks for watching, guys.